Hey, we're finally doing Rice Krispie treats on keto. Wait a minute, are we the first to do this? Has somebody already done this?
Lots of people have done it.
What? Wait, I want to be the first. What is up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on our channel. If this happens to be your first time here and you'd love to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and also other keto related topics, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, move a little bit over, then click the bell and the word all so you don't miss any great ketogenic content when we upload it on this channel. You know what I'm saying? What are we doing today?
Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispie treats. It's been a long time coming.
Man, I've done so many different things to try to perfect Rice Krispie treats.
Yes, we have been in the lab.
We have been in the lab.
I've been tasting it.
Yeah.
I'm a tester.
So the first one we did was puffs. No,
Protein puffs.
Was it protein puffs?
From Puff Powder.
Yeah, we thought, oh, you know what?
Power Puff, something like that.
Protein, yeah. We decided we're gonna use protein puffs because that would be perfect because they're little tiny and it's just like perfect like cereal.
Yeah, it seemed to have that little rice thing.
Yeah, it tasted like I took a spoon of protein powder in my mouth.
Yeah, it was really bland. The marshmallow fluff turned out good. That was it laid down perfectly in the thing, but after it chilled and we broke it apart, it just wasn't a good fit.
It didn't taste good to me. The kids were like, "Oh, this is good."
Well, that's after I drizzled chocolate all over it.
True that. And then we decided to try pork skins because I've heard that some people have done pork skins. I didn't figure it out.
That wasn't a thing either.
That was an epic fail there too. Disgusting. So, if you can do pork skins with and do Rice Krispie treats, let me know. Drop a comment down below and let me know who to follow to do that because they were nasty.
Now we searched all over the interwebs and we did finally run across this one channel. The name is Keto Village. And she recommended that we use
high key. And if you guys hear our cats, if you hear a herd of animals, like a herd of elephants, our cats are chasing moths around. So
yeah, it's fun. I'm about to go chase one right now. It's so tempting. But she recommended high key protein cereal. Now, we couldn't find a neutral vanilla flavor or anything bland, so we got the cocoa. Now, mind you, we just did a video on all these cereals. We'll link that description card right above us. We previewed this. There's a Fruity Pebble high key, and we did a Magic Spoon, all that. But we actually made our Rice Krispies with the cocoa flavor because we didn't have like a regular Rice Krispie, which I'm okay with because I love chocolate.
And we also had to we didn't use the Keto Village's recipe because I made my
none of the
own
measurements.
Marshmallows. So, and you can also follow the link for the marshmallows where we made marshmallows.
Right. Since she just said that, sorry, because we're about to show you how to make the Rice Krispie treats, we're not going to show you how to make marshmallows. That's what Susan's talking about. We'll put a link up in the description so you can see how to make those. The only difference is what?
Oh, I had to, I didn't lay it out in a pan or anything. I just threw it in a bowl, threw it in the fridge. It was in there a day or so, and then took it out and then used it, like just spooned it out.
Yeah, kind of like marshmallow fluff.
Yeah.
Isn't that what you call it?
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
So let's get to making.
Let's try it.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 2 cups of high-key protein cereal, 1/2 cup of our marshmallow fluff, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter.
Here we go. Now, if that doesn't look like a Rice Krispie treat from, what are their names? Snap, Crackle, and Pop?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what does. Now, I will say this before we get started. All of the other fails, we tried because we wanted to try an experiment. And we actually tasted them, and those didn't get on video.
When we cut them, these looked like real Rice Krispie treats. The other ones
did not.
So
now,
we're like...
We have not tried these yet. So you're getting an authentic review. This may still be an epic fail.
I have faith. I have faith in it.
It's still? Or, oh, you're going for that one. Should I go for the corner piece? Okay, you ready? It's chocolate. Here we go.
I'm nervous.
Rice Krispie treat. Wait a minute.
The protein cereal is a lot crunchier than
a Rice Krispie. Okay, I can already tell we're gonna have to up the marshmallow content.
Well, it
doesn't
holds
have enough
together. It holds. They're not real marshmallows, so you're not gonna have the same creamy marshmallowy pull apart. But it still holds together really good.
I don't hate them.
This is a win. My kids will love that.
No, this is not an epic fail. I can tell you that. Not compared to the protein puffs we used.
God, those were so nasty.
I think the key to this is the high key. Where'd the box go? The high key.
You got the things on it.
Oh, the high key drink box. Oh yeah. The high key protein cereal is already flavored with chocolate. I think that's where the win is here. The protein puffs, there's no flavor at all. It's like cardboard.
Yeah,
to
those
me.
were nasty.
Even Susan even bought chocolate cocoa flavored protein puffs, and those are still cardboard.
Should we
what
show
are we going to
it?
use for those? Sure, grab them.
I saw Serious Keto made like a Nestle Crunch bar out of those. So
Nestle Crunch? Wait a minute. How can you take the... Won't they taste the same? Here's my thing with Nestle Crunch. You're tasting all chocolate. Here's the protein puffs. It's from Pro Mix. Okay? And here's the consistency. As you can see, just looking at it, this looks like it would have been a great thing to use for a Rice Krispie treat. However, when you pop that in your mouth, I just took a chunk out of cardboard right there.
no, it's
There is no flavor on that. What do we use this for now? If y'all have any suggestions what we could use the protein puffs for, please leave a comment down in the comments and let us know.
It's not just that there's no sweetness to it. There's no flavor. Literally no flavor.
And trying to chew it. I'm seriously, I'm chewing a cardboard.
It's not good.
But these are Rice Krispie treats, chocolate.
It turned out really good. I'm happy with it.
I'm happy. I would bump up the marshmallow.
It doesn't. Well, I don't want it to get soggy. I don't want it to be soggy.
I don't think it will.
When I stirred in the marshmallow, I thought, dude, I need more marshmallow stuff. But I don't think so. I don't know. I think it's good.
Anyway, guys, try it. Leave us comments down below of what your opinions will be.
I wasn't
Did
trying
you just
to hold
touch
your
my
hand.
hand?
No.
I want to hold you.
You're in my spot.
Am I in your spot? Oh, you always grabbing there?
Yeah, I'm always leaning. I got the lean.
You're going to have to close this out because I'm chewing right here.
Until next time. Is that what I'm supposed to say?
Yeah, try it. Let's see how you do it.
Until next time.
Wait, no, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
You got that. Go ahead.
No, I just you try it.
Nope.
Remember, until next time, keep it crispy.
Nope.
Yeah, until next time, keep it crispy.
Until next time, keep it. You do the Facebook thing first.
Oh, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, check out our website, allmyketofriends.com.
Until next time, keep it snap, crackle, pop.
God, you're worse than me.